EAS broadcast has issued a most infestation warning that will be located to Houston and Dallas, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, and Kenner and Mandeville, Louisiana. The infestation will destroy crops, make rabies and diseases. Deaths will be estimated at around 3,000 and will start February 2nd, 2019 at 8 a.m. to February 5th, 2019 at 2 p.m. This infestation can be very dangerous and will be large. Norton infestation-free team will try to get rid of the mice. The EAS broadcast issued a most infestation warning.